Welcome! If you've ever hidden your Instagram highlights and now want to bring them back to your profile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to unarchive your Instagram highlights quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to the account where you want to unarchive your highlights. Next, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your main profile page where you can see all your posts, reels, and, of course, your highlights. Now, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, at the top right corner of your profile. Tap on that to open up a list of options. From here, tap on Your Activity. This section keeps track of everything you do on Instagram, including your archived content. Once you're in Your Activity, find and tap on Archived. Here, you'll see all your archived posts, stories, and highlights. At the top, you'll notice different icons. Tap on the highlight icon to filter and view only your archived highlights. Now scroll through your archived highlights and find the one you want to bring back to your profile. Press and hold on that specific highlight. A menu will pop up with several options. Tap on Show on Profile and then confirm your choice. Just like that, your highlight will reappear on your Instagram profile for everyone to see. And that's it. You've successfully unarchived your Instagram highlight. It's now visible on your profile, right along with your other highlights. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.